So I have many students asking me, how do I change my backgrounds? I have my art challenge done, but it doesn't look the way I want it to look. So I thought I would do a little tutorial to show you how to change backgrounds using Pixlr because we've been working on that for quite some time. I went to the Pixlr website and I'm clicking Pixlr E Advanced. I want to work with Kaylee's today. And I'm going to click on Kaylee's photograph. All right, so I have her photograph into Pixlr. And then I want to polygon lasso some of the areas. So I'm going to very carefully, I want to lasso this person in the back because they're part of the art piece. I am lassoing the bridge. And if you don't have all of this, you just have your face, you're just going to lasso around your body. Okay, I'm doing this very carefully because if you do not, then it can mess up easily. All right. We see that the area is selected that I want to move. I'm going to file or edit, and I'm going to copy this. And you're going to see it says copy. I'm going to hop over to another Pixlr, just like this. And I'm going to open an image. So you have to save all these images on your desktop. It's very important so you have access to them. All right, I have the screen, the actual screen. And then I'm going to edit and paste Kaylee into this art piece. I'm going to make it bigger so it looks more realistic. Okay, I'm going to move her around, shrink it, make it smaller, make it bigger. And here is Miss Kaylee inside of the screen, and now it looks more realistic to the art piece. You can file and save. And then you can send it to my email, lindsay.roberts@student.dodea.edu. Thank you for watching, guys.